Look at this curtain. It's got the whole Box Family band on it. Ooh.
Sounds like they're about to start. Come on, let's grab a hay bale.
Okay, places, everyone. Oh, snippets. Hang on. We've got a little musical emergency back here.
What's wrong, Baby Box?
Well, I was so busy getting everything ready for the show that I forgot to make my tambourine.
Uh-oh. Well, maybe there's a different instrument you could play.
The tambourine brings the whole song together. I can't play if I don't have my tambourine.
You don't have a tambourine yet, but we could help you make one.
Really?
Abso-cat-a-lutely. Come on!
Okay, this drawing shows everything we need to make a crafty tambourine. First, we need 2 circles for our tambourine base. Do you see 2 circles we could use? The paper plates.
Paper plate delivery!
Thanks, Pandy. I'll just stack the plates on top of each other like this and punch holes around the edges.
I've got the hole puncher right here.
Next, we need some bells for that tambourine ring.
I've got you.
Thanks, DJ. Now we just need something to tie them on. See anything long and thin we can use to tie the bells on? The pipe cleaners. These will work great. Woohoo! And for the finishing touch, we need to decorate it. Gotta have a little sparkle for my tambourine. Ta-da! Thanks so much for helping me. You saved my whole show. Oh, time to get shaken. See you out there.
Good luck, Baby Box.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to our Box Family Band show. I give to you the Box Family Band. A 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. Who can make all kinds of crafts? Use some glue and have some laughs. Make music with the rubber band. Whoa, the Box Family can. Whoa, the Box Family can.
Go tambourine!
Who can make a paper plate? Jingle, jangle, just you wait. We think you'll be our biggest fan. 'Cause the Box Family can. Whoa, the Box Family can. Woohoo! Tambourine solo. Take it away, Baby Box. Come on, everybody. Let's spin it. Oh, yeah. The Box Family can. Uh-oh. The Box Family can. Woohoo!
Woo!
All right!
That was awesome!
Yeah! That was amusing!